Start from the inside out. Eat plant-based diet like this, and like that. Nutrition is key to everything. Stress ages you faster than anything, and the quickest way to combat stress is take a walk. Taking a walk every evening or every morning, it depends on your schedule. It does not add further stress to your body. So take a walk and sleep. I know it's not easy. I have made a video on how to put yourself to sleep very fast in the safest way. Watch that video, but sleep 8 hours helps the body to combat stress. Number 3 is skincare. But I'm going to tell you something. There are 3 most important products you need to use on your daily skincare routine. And that is vitamin C, retinol, sunscreen, and your daily moisturizer. You don't have to pay anyone for this. This is from God. It's absolutely free and the most important. I feel people do not talk about this because it doesn't make them money, it doesn't give them profit, and it doesn't make them trade online. And it is be joyful, be loving, and forgive. The more radiant you look, the less makeup you need. Cheers to a radiant, beautiful skin.